Landlording for fun and profit. Moving man Chris shows up to move a refrigerator. 9 o'clock on a Sunday morning.
I taped it.
Yeah, thank you.
I'm missing church.
That's right. Amen, brother.
He said he thought maybe you had a girl down there that he didn't want to get rid of.
I did.
Nothing like having 2 refrigerators, though. You gotta admit that was nice, didn't it?
Yeah. Well, this one kind of took up the spot where my table goes.
Oh, that's right.
You know, so
I didn't think about that.
So I had a couple chairs in the living room.
Lift it up. You're on the ground. Did you say it?